wheels and gold tyres on that on the fastest car in the bunch. I think that's a fantastic idea. Just get the kids to drive. There you go. And again, because the steering is pretty quick and pretty reactive, it doesn't feel like you're dialing in opposite lock. I mean, you can see that the hands are very, very much busier than mine would ever have been. But you know, that is Nick Swift, isn't it? I don't.
Quick hands, as they call it.
Yeah, no disrespect to Andy Jordan, but that is classic. We've all watched the onboards of Nick Swift. That is classic. And again, you know, the car just drives, and he's got it pointed in the right direction, and the back's moving, but it's not trying to drag the car off. The front is doing all the work. The back is just for decoration and to stop you ruining the exhaust, essentially.
It's all about carrying speed, isn't it? Plant the throttle, keep it there.
Look
the
at the
needle
Speedo.
almost off the end of the Speedo. Had to lift a little bit here because, unfortunately, he's got a slower car ahead of him, turning into St Mary's. That was car number 26, red and white car, Ron Maiden and Brian Johnson. Not at the same time. One at a time, please, ladies and gentlemen. One now into the dip out of St Mary's, up to Lavin. If you think the circuit is flat, it is not. You use that gradient into the dip, and then Lavin turning in, Martin.
Look at all the gear changes that he's not making. It's only a 4-speed straight cut jackknife gearbox, so he's in fourth all the way through. Once you get out into fourth gear on the front straight, halfway down the pit lane, oh, I tell a lie, now he's in fourth, so St Mary's in third. Speedo nearly round to full on the fuel gauge, which is at the bottom of the Speedo there.
It's a bit like Waddington's Formula One. Look at those gauges. You've gone through that corner too fast, tyre wear one. But now, how
Down
many
to
bites of the
third.
cherry would you like through Woodcote?
But this is absolutely glorious. Tiny little bit of understeer there in the second element, down into second. And again, make the front do all the work. The rear is just really for decoration. No need to look in the mirrors. It's all about full focus. Pitch it in.
It's Andrew Jordan at the wheel, by the way.
Is
Just
it?
looking in the mirror. I don't know why we didn't notice that before. The Red Bull helmet there, and so they were one of the first cars to come into pits. One, I'm looking forward as we go through the second part of Madwick and then down towards Ford Water. Such a tricky corner. Listen, listen. Ain't no lifting there.
No. Can't lift in this. This is small capacity motorcycle racing, but with four wheels. It's exactly the same deal, and slipstreaming is going to be a massive part of this. And Andy Jordan, not short in commitment, from rallycross to touring cars to historic racing.